Looking for the best printers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2980. Setting up and maintaining an ink tank printer adds a few extra steps, which is why I was a little wary of them at first. As it turns out, this Epson EcoTank ET2980 proved the most straightforward and non-threatening of all printers I tested. The ink bottles mount right into keyed holes, so you can't mix them up, and installing yielded no extra drips or dribbles. There were no extra bits to install or configure, just a one-time skin sheet to check the alignment. It was also the easiest to secure if I needed to move it without getting ink everywhere. And after months of regular printing, I haven't even thought about refilling the ink tanks, and I would have replaced cartridges several times over by now. Print quality is excellent. While the speed is slower than with laser printers, it's quick enough for most home use. It includes a flatbed scanner, making it one of the best equipped printers for the price, particularly when you take into account the savings from refillable ink. My only minor complaint here is that it uses a vertical feeding paper tray from the rear, which means a lower 100-page print capacity. The upside is that means better paper compatibility, since the pages don't have to make a complete turn. For homes that print and scan occasionally, and want something flexible and inexpensive to maintain, this is my pick. Number 2. Brother HL-L3280CDW. As long as you don't need a scanner, I'd check out the Brother HL-3280CDW. This laser printer works slower than the black and white model, but still fast for a color printer, with a nice, crisp detail level and low noise level. The touch screen makes setup and adjusting options straightforward. But after the initial setup, I mostly ignored the touch screen and just hit print. This no-frills printer is great for mostly black and white printing with occasional color use. It has a fairly compact footprint and a second manual feed paper tray. Photos tend to come out much richer and more detailed on inkjet printers, but color laser printers still do a great job at faster speeds, particularly for handouts with flourishes of color or simple brochures. If you're printing photos often and the quality really matters, I recommend checking out one of the ink-based printers. Number 3. Brother HL-L2460DW. Not only does the Brother HL-L2460DW run quietly, it was also one of the faster I tested, making it a great choice for a home office that prints out lots of invoices or a classroom that needs lots of handouts in a hurry. If you're printing out dozens of pages per day, all of them in black and white, and never scanning, you'll save a lot of cash going with this consistent and sturdy laser option from Brother. Unfortunately, setup isn't entirely intuitive. There's only a single line readout, and limited buttons for entering a Wi-Fi password. But setup is a pain you'll only have to grapple with once. Afterward, this printer requires little to no upkeep or changes to settings. It's fast, cheap to run daily, fits cleanly onto any shelf, and just needs a power cable. Essentially, it's a great choice if you want something simple and functional. Number 4. HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP3301SDW. The HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP3301SDW probably offers more features than what the casual user would need, but if I showed up to work one day and it was near my desk, I'd assume Santa came early. This would be a great fit for a home office where multiple people are often printing out full-color promotional sheets or invitations. It's fully connected, with dual-band Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, so you could park it anywhere in your small office and have the whole team printing. It's fast enough to ensure you'll never be waiting on someone else to finish their printing, and quiet enough I wouldn't be mad to sit nearby. That said, it's physically quite large, and is probably a lot faster and handles more paper than most homes need, and trust, those are features you pay for on this upscale option. My only minor complaint here is that the document feeder up top likes to crunch documents if you don't get the holders positioned exactly right, so just make sure to use the flatbed for anything important. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E. While I think ink tank and laser printers offer a better value and user experience, I can understand feeling more comfortable dealing with classic ink cartridges. This upgraded HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E is the newer model of the printer that powered my business for the last year or so. It is both a flatbed and document scanner, and it was one of the speedier non-laser printers I tested with full-color printing. It also boasts the widest support for paper types and sizes among all top picks. Although, it doesn't always grab the right number of pages when working with thicker stock, an issue I noticed on the older version as well. With an easy setup process, minimal software needed, and wide feature set, this printer is a great option for people who don't want to think about their printer often, but just want it to work when they need it.